Do you have wrinkles, acne scars, pigmentation? Microneedling is your answer. Our microneedling treatments can help rejuvenate your skin and get rid of these problems. Microneedling is a collagen-stimulating treatment great for general skin rejuvenation. It treats textural issues dealing with pores, acne scars, wrinkles, and pigmentation, and has seen extensive positive clinical results, making this treatment a great alternative to laser skin resurfacing. Microneedling can be done at a fraction of the cost when compared to surgical treatments. Microneedling creates micro-injuries which stimulate the body's natural wound healing processes, resulting in cell turnover and increased collagen and elastin production, therefore reversing as well as preventing signs of aging. At Wellaholic, you can combine microneedling with 3 types of serums: hyaluronic acid for hydration and plumping, resveratrol for anti-aging, matrixyl for filling up of scars and wrinkles. Prices start from just $100+ for a full facial microneedling treatment. Why are Wellaholic's prices so affordable? This is in line with Wellaholic's vision to provide affordable aesthetic treatments that work, with transparent pricing and no hard selling. Wellaholic locates our outlets at convenient locations near MRT stations, but with more affordable rents, so that we can pass our cost savings back to our customers. The result? Happy customers, as seen from over 1,000 positive customer reviews on Google Reviews and TripAdvisor reviews. We provide excellent customer service and focus on creating a relaxed and comfortable environment for our customers. We do not hard sell. Instead, we let our services speak for themselves. At Wellaholic, we are constantly reviewing our brand promise, which is to provide affordable treatments for our customers and help our customers see results with treatments that are backed by science and research. We always work to ensure availability of capacity and slots so that customers can make bookings easily online. We look forward to seeing you at Wellaholic. Check out our website at wellaholic.com. Or to make a free booking, go to Wellaholic Live/book. See you.